This video tutorial I will explain how to download and install Greenshot software and how to use that. Using Screenshot, we can capture the screenshot easily. Also, we can send the screenshot easily. Using Screenshot, we can capture the entire screen or a region or a selected window using a menu or keyboard shortcuts. We can send the screenshot to a file, printer, email, or Windows clipboard using Greenshot. Click on Download latest version. Double click. It is installed successfully. Here you can see the screenshot shortcut. Right click, and if you want to capture the region, you have to press print screen. If you want to capture the window, you have to press Alt print screen. If you want to capture the full screen, then you have to press Control print screen. If you want to change any setting, click on Preferences, and here you can change the hotkeys for capturing full screen, capturing window, etc. If you want to capture the region, press print screen, and you can select the region you want to take the screenshot. Then click on Save As. And here you can see the screenshot is taken. Press print screen, and if you want to send it to Microsoft Word, click on this, and the screenshot is put it inside the Microsoft Word. If you want to capture full screen, press Control print screen. Then click on Save As. And here you can see the full screen is taken. Press print screen, and here you can see we can send the screenshot to printer and print the screenshot. Here you can see the options. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on Show More, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.